Now let's take one more question. And I would like to remind the golden rules. When you are making final accounts on the basis of trial balance, you have to take care of the following things. Don't miss the item. Don't repeat the item. Don't change the side. Three things you have to take care. Means don't miss the item. Means you have to take each and every item of the trial balance to the final accounts. Number two, don't repeat the item. Once the item has gone to the final accounts, that cannot be repeated. Don't change the side. Means debit item of the trial balance will go to the debit side of final accounts, and credit item of the trial balance will go to the credit side of final accounts. Be careful, balance sheet doesn't have any debit side or credit side, but assets account, on the asset side, all accounts carry debit balance. So for our convenience, we call debit side, means asset side is called debit side. Now come to the question. Trial balance as on 31st March 2013. Cash 6,700, purchases 1,000, salary 300. Capital 5,000, S 1,000, sales 2,000. Cash is an asset. This is real account. Purchases account, it's nominal account. Purchases account and sales account. Expenses and losses and incomes and gains all are nominal accounts. Then salary account. Salary is the name of the expense. This is nominal account. On credit side, capital account. This is the account of owner. Owner is a person, so it's a personal account. S, this is the name of the party. Basically, S is the creditor in our journal entries, so it has become creditor in trial balance. This is the name of the party, so it's a personal account. Sales account. Sales account is always a nominal account. Basically, all nominal accounts affect our profits. So let's make trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. Let's prepare the format first. Draw the lines for trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. So first of all, cash count 6,700. This is the debit item. So take it to debit side of balance sheet because this is a real account. And real accounts are nothing to do with trading account and profit and loss account. So cash on the asset side 6,700. Then purchases. It's a debit item. It will go to the debit side of trading account. So 2 purchases. Then salary account rupees 300. It's a debit item. It will go to the debit of profit and loss account. Be careful. There are 2 types of expenses, direct expenses and indirect expenses. Direct expenses go to the debit side of trading account and indirect expenses go to profit and loss account. And there was one more item at the footnotes of trial balance, that was closing stock rupees 200. If you take any item which is not included in the totals of trial balance, that will be having double hit. So it will hit the credit side of trading account and debit side of balance sheet. Debit side of balance sheet means asset side of balance sheet. So write down closing stock on the credit side of trading account rupees 200 and closing stock On the asset side of balance sheet, rupees 200. Now let's complete trading account. Don't forget that whenever you write trading account, it should be trading account for the year ended 31st March 2013. So total is 2200 on credit side, but the total on debit side is only 1000. So our gross profit is 1200. So to gross profit 1200. Now come to profit and loss account. Profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2013. So gross profit from the debit side of trading account will be taken to the profit and loss account credit side by gross profit 1200. Now the total on credit side is 1200, but total on debit side is only rupees 300. So we have to put the balancing figure on debit side, that will be 900. So to net profit 900, total 1200. Now prepare the balance sheet. Balance sheet as on 31st March 2013. Cash 6700, closing stock 200. So total 6900. Okay, on liability side, it's already 5000 capital in the inner column. Now add net profit in the inner column 900. This profit has been taken to profit and loss account. So total 5900 in the outer column, and S is already there 1000. So total 6900 on both sides. Our balance sheet is agreed, means the totals on both sides is equal. It means the question is perfectly all right.